honestly too hot for this, but commitment and all. Hello guys, this is Sandra here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. It's lovely to have you here and I hope you're gonna enjoy your time. So today, as you will see from the title, it's another project pen update, and this time it's the PartnersInCream project pen, which is one of my absolute favorites. And basically this was started by Steph and her friend DaLin. I will link both of their channels and the playlist with all of the participants down below, so you can binge watch more of these videos if you would like. And also you can search the hashtag PartnersInCream on Instagram and you will find more videos. No, more posts like this. I'm so sorry, the heat is getting to me in the UK. It's so hot lately and you're wondering why you're wearing that then. So in my very first video I just decided to be, I don't know, really comfortable and had a full face of makeup on and my onesie because I'm that kind of person, and I just decided to film like that, and then my onesie broke, but I wanted to sort of continue the tradition and I couldn't find a onesie that I like, so I switched to my oh so magical Harry Potter Gryffindor dressing gown, and until this point it was completely fine, but now we're in a heat wave and I'm wearing this. So I'm gonna keep this video nice and short and sweet because I'm sweating my boobs off. So let's go into the update. Actually, we can't do that yet, can we? I have to tell you what this is. I mean, if you're watching this update, I assume you know, but this is a project where we're using all of our cream products. Well, we choose, I think, between 3 and 5, and I like to challenge myself, so I chose 5, and it's a rolling style project pen, and for now it's lasting for a year. So I started in January, and we all did, and it's going all the way up till December. And now we can jump into the update. So a product that's been here since the beginning is my Tom Ford Cream Cheek Color in the shade Pink Sand, and this is such a well-loved product at this point. And I think you can see some progress since last update. It's not as big, granted, as it's been before sometimes, but I still really enjoy this product. It's such a good color, it's such a good formula, and my goal is to finish it by the end of this year. Can I do that? I don't know, there's still a lot of product left in there, so I'm really not sure. But if I'm not being able to finish it by the end of the month, I think I'm still gonna be super close. And I've been enjoying this so much. Clearly it's really well loved, and I'm gonna miss it once it's gone, but it's not cruelty free. So if anyone knows a good cruelty dupe for the Tom Ford cream blush formula, please let me know, because it's so good. Another product that's been with us since the beginning is the Illamasqua Broken Gel, and this is the shade Silver, and we have a new mark on the bottle. So we went down all the way there from there, which is quite good going if you ask me. And if you see how we started all the way on the top and we are down here now, it's quite good. I mean, yes, I know we've been at this project since January, so I had 8 months to do that, but knowing how I had this product for a really long time and it's just been sitting in my drawers, I think that's really good going, and I'm really happy with that. And I think I should be able to finish this up by the end of the year without a problem. Now, I've said it now for the past about 2 updates that I love using this as a nail topper rather than a makeup product, and I have footage somewhere of me wearing this on my nails, so I will try to find and insert it for you, because at the moment I just have some like orangey red nail polish on without this on, but I'm pretty sure that I can, you know, use it maybe like 10 more times on my nails and this will be gone, or so I hope. So I think this should be okay, and this will go by the end of this project, and that will be great. Moving on to the other 2 products that's been here since the beginning. Some of the cream products just take a bit longer than others. Is 2 cream eyeshadows, and they're both from MAC. They're both paint pots. We have Groundwork and Perky. Now Groundwork, literally no progress. I don't think I touched it since last month, unfortunately, since I repressed it. And on this one I changed my goal as well. Originally I just wanted to use it up fully, but I realized about 2 months ago that that was way too ambitious and foolish of me. I cannot do that, especially with having another one in, and this is actually one I use as an eyeshadow base as well. Now when it's really hot, it does not work as an eyeshadow base. I still use it because I'm only at home, but I can already feel my face just dripping and melting, so excuse that. But it's still a beautiful shade, and I think with this one you will be able to see a difference. There's such a big dip, especially considered to the intro, but even to last month I think we're getting to a sizable dip. Hopefully I can hit pen soon, it's hard to tell. But let me show you close up as well because it's a bit easier to see. I mean, look at that dip in there. So good, so good. I'm so happy with the progress on this one because this was almost untouched when I rolled it into this project. So to get this much use out of it, it just makes me happy. And my goal with this again is to hit pen, so hopefully we can do that. We'll see. I'm trying to be committed to these, but sometimes it just doesn't work with what eyeshadow I want to put on. So it's, you know, it's been more challenging than I thought it's gonna be, but what can you do? We'll see where we get with those two. And the last product is the Topshop Glow in the shade Polished, and I'm not gonna put a picture in, I'm gonna just show you where I am because, oh, if I can open it, hold on, there we go, because I'm gonna roll this out and throw it away. So my goal was to hit pen on this, and I used it quite a few times, but you can see there's still quite, like, I would say half of the product in there, and the smell is a bit weird, but it was weird since the beginning as far as I can remember. It's a really old product of mine and I was hoping it's gonna be okay. It didn't break me out, but what I noticed that every time I was wearing it, when I applied it, it was beautiful. It has this like nice iridescent pinky kind of sheen to it, which was beautiful. But when I patted it on my cheekbones, every time it dried, it created this really weird crusty texture all around here. It's interesting because it didn't really do it on the top of my cheeks. It was always in this temple area. I wonder if my skin is different there, I don't know. And it was always more prominent on the right side rather than my left side. I don't know what that was about, but it only happened every time I used this product. Every time. So I decided to get rid of it because, you know, if it's gonna make me look crusty and just not really flattering at all, then what's the point of using it? I had it for a long time. It's still about halfway used up, so it's still seen a lot of love in its days, but I'm not gonna force myself using it. You know, it's been good while it lasted, but it's time for it to go. So instead of that, I'm gonna roll in a primer, just because I have no primer that I'm actually working on at the moment, and I think this is my oldest one, and I actually really like it. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish Iconic Primer Stick. So that's exactly what it says in the name. It's just a primer stick, and that's all I have left of it. Oh, sorry, white walls, so you can't really see it. But there's not a lot left in it. There's literally just the smallest little nub. And it's actually really nice. It's super easy to use. It's a pore filling primer, but it's not as slippery as their iconic, like what is it called? Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, I think it's just called. And I don't know if it's supposed to be like a really different formula or not, but I find this is less slippery and it's just super easy and convenient. You just roll it on, and then I usually just pat it in with my fingers or like smooth it out, and it's done. And I really enjoy using this, but this is, I think, the oldest one in my collection at the moment, so I decided to throw this in because it's something I can use all the time. It's easy to use, and I'm going to make sure that I use it up before it's going bad. And that's it for this month's update. I'm sorry guys, I hope you don't feel like I'm rushing you through it. I'm still giving you a proper update and everything. It's just really hot. And I can't, like, it's too much and I'm sweating too bad. There we go guys, I hope you still enjoyed this update though, even though I feel like it was a bit more hurried than usual. But you know, I've talked about all these updates, not all these updates, but all these products before anyway, so none of them are really new. I can link all of my previous updates down below as well, starting from the intro. If you missed any of them, I don't know, you can check back there. But for now I'm gonna go. I hope you'll have a lovely day, And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean so much to me. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and I have the occasional Saturday videos as well. They're all makeup related videos, you know, tutorials, first impressions, project pans, all sorts of fun things, and thrown in with some challenges and all that sort of thing. So if that's your thing, please click that subscribe. So if that's your thing, please click the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of them. But for now, I'm gonna go. I hope you have a lovely day, and bye bye.